You just need boob tape.
Exactly.
You just need double stick tape to put right on the inside.
Yep.
Because that looks awesome on you. It's just,
I love it. It's so cute.
if you bend over, you pop out of it.
Yeah.
A little bit of double stick tape, that solves everything.
I like it. And it's really comfortable.
Oh, that is.
I love the side.
Yeah, that is really, really nice.
It's so comfortable. It's stretchy. It's comfortable. I like it. I like the arms, how much it fits me. It fits me really well. And I'm really tall, and it's hard to find sleeves that fit my wrist.
And it fits well?
Yes.
Okay.
I love it.
If someone had shorter arms, would it still work? Like
Yeah, you can just
scrunch it up?
That's
Okay.
cute.
Actually, lean forward. Actually, you're not moving out of it this time. Stand up and lean over. No, you're completely covered.
Ooh, I found that good spot then.
Lean forward. You're still not coming out of it. Yeah, you're staying put.
I am. I love this.
So just to make yourself feel more comfortable, because you most probably don't feel secure.
Right.
So you can put a little bit of double stick tape so that you don't do that all night. You're being aggressive with the shirt, bending, moving, sitting, and you're nowhere near even giving me a peep.
Awesome.
A belt.
That would be
you can
cute.
pull it down,
Yeah.
and then one of those, not those huge like 7-inch belts,
No.
but one of the reasonably thick belts.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a little plain. I think a necklace would look nice.
Yeah, you need to accessorize this one a little
Yeah.
bit. It looks really good on you.
It's silver. I'm.
Yeah. Belt, you have to find the right width,
Yeah.
and you need heels.
Yeah, I was gonna say heels would look nice.
I wouldn't put stilettos on it. Stilettos would work, but you wouldn't need stilettos.
I like the bodysuit more.
You like the bodysuit more.
Yes.
I'm going to disagree with you on this one.
Okay. Yeah.
But the bodysuit is so comfortable. We've got one more outfit to try on. Do you have anything else to say about that one?
It is super.
Super comfortable. Well, that's even better, because it's very rare that you get something that is, or for women to have something that's comfortable and versatile.
Yes, it's rare.